Okay, guys, we're
So,
about to
folks,
do another fantastic show. But before we do that, please go to YouTube, like, subscribe, share.
share.
We're bombarded by toxins all the time, right? So there's the involuntary stuff that we ingest, we breathe it in, right? And the stuff that we don't know that may be in, cosmetics and what have you, that we have to assume that there's something in it that ain't bad. But the better our bodies are equipped, the more nutrients that we have to equip our body, give our body resources to be able to flush out toxins, that's a better place for us. So when we have anything like, something like diarrhea, it might just be one sitting of diarrhea rather than 4 or 5 days of stomach pains and burning and whatnot, right? And a whole lot of messed up pants, right? It might just be one evening. If we have headache, it's one evening or one night, right, where we have a headache. If we do come into contact, because our bodies are so dynamic and so resourceful in getting rid of toxins once they enter into our bodies, right?
Hey, what's up? Look, you've just been watching the Great Black Podcast. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you go to the YouTube channel and you like, subscribe, and share.
Share it.
So we can
Share
keep
the
doing
love.
this. It's a give and take thing.